A high-profile murder case moving forward after a judge today rejected arguments that the case should be tossed out because of negative publicity. The case is linked to a jailhouse drug investigation involving the trafficking of fentanyl-soaked paperwork behind bars. Our Paul Bloom tells us the defense attorney, who had her own home searched as part of that investigation, is firing back now.
Sarah Gadd is a prominent local defense attorney. On Tuesday, Gadd delivered fiery oral arguments on why a murder case of hers should now be tossed out. She went after the state for conducting a, quote, public smear campaign, describing the search of her home and cell phone, as well as any suggested connection to drugs, as a, quote, brazen violation. Gadd said the only remedy here, dismiss the entire murder case against Lyndon Wiggins. You may remember the case of Lyndon Wiggins. He was already convicted for his role in the 2019 murder of a local real estate agent and mom, but his case was overturned on appeal. The Hennepin County Attorney's Office is now retrying him on the same charges. As Fox 9 reported last month, the case took a dramatic twist when law enforcement obtained a court-signed search warrant to search Gadd's home and cell phone in connection to a jailhouse drug investigation that suggested Wiggins was obtaining drugs behind bars, potentially through an attorney. Those allegations focusing on paperwork laced with drugs worth big money in lockup as inmates can rip off pieces and put them under their tongue for a high. The search warrant obtained by the Fox 9 investigators states it is unknown if Gadd might be a middle person, unknowing participant, or organizer in the alleged scheme. That investigation is ongoing, but it is important to note Gadd has never been charged with any crime connected to drug smuggling. In court on Tuesday, Gadd said there is no way now for Lyndon Wiggins to get a fair trial, given what she described as overwhelming and prejudicial media reporting on the case. In the end here, the judge said if Derek Chauvin can get a fair trial in Hennepin County under far more intense media attention and scrutiny, so can Lyndon Wiggins. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
Governor